So one question that we commonly get is, what exactly is home staging? Well, home staging is an effective sales technique that integrates decorating with marketing and creates an experience for home buyers. It's about more than just furnishing a room, it's about selling a lifestyle. The elements of home staging will help to neutralize your home by eliminating any and all distractions that can potentially draw the focus away from the great features of your home and instead highlight those features. Home staging allows you to market your home to the largest audience possible by maximizing your home's potential. Now, this can be as simple as reducing your clutter and reorganizing your space a little bit, or it can be as complex as creating a brand new home staging plan and having all new furniture, accessories, and artwork, etc. brought in. Now, each home is unique and will require a different variety of services, but all start with an initial consultation, providing a full home evaluation, including a written report, complete with all recommendations for improvements and updates. We at Beyond the Stage Homes help to clearly define all areas of your home to help to eliminate those distractions that will keep buyers from seeing and remembering the great features of your home.